So, alright, so hello everybody and a very warm welcome to my channel. You can just have a look how beautiful and bouncy my hair are, and this is all the magic of henna, I have told you. And since I've washed my hair, believe me, I could sense that the result is just amazing. I have shown you the application of the henna, I have shown you the application of the oil, I have shown you like braiding after oiling, and this is the result. One major update, major update. I have not combed or brushed my hair since morning. They have dried naturally. We are not using a fan at the moment, and the weather is also not very good today. Like good as in there's no sun today, so I could not shot it in the natural light. So I had to show you the results. So I thought maybe the artificial light would do, and you can just have a look how beautiful and tamed they have become. I have not brushed, I have not combed my hair, I have done nothing, and they are so very beautiful. So this is what henna does to you. One major query that I'm getting so many times and almost everywhere on YouTube, on Instagram, everywhere, that henna turns my hair dry. Yes, it does. It did turn my hair also dry. But I told you the remedy. You have to oil and properly oil the scalp and the hair to have this wonderful result. I cannot tell you how happy I am, because the kind of bounce that henna gives to my hair, I cannot tell you. You need not touch them, and they, just arrange themselves perfectly for a perfect shot. You can just have a look, and they are so well tamed. I did not do anything since morning. I just washed them up, and I did put towel on my hair for like 15-20 minutes, and then I have done nothing. They have been like drying by themselves, and I'm happy, right? So I'm combing here in front of you to show it to you how beautiful the result is, and you can guess for yourself, because you'll have to guess. It's not natural light, and this is the result. And I've been busy since morning, that's why I'm not ready, and I had to show you the results, so I'm here showing it to you how beautiful the hair turned out to be. And you can just have a look. They are absolutely sorted by themselves. I have done nothing. I have not combed, I have not brushed. I just opened the pen out of my locks. I was using this pen since morning onto my hair for tying them, and just now I opened them to show it to you. So this is the result. So well tamed, so well sorted, and it's not a lot of struggle. This is what the result is. So to have this wonderful and amazing results for yourself, do follow all the steps that I told you: the henna, the oil, then the braiding and everything, and you'll have hair just like mine. Believe me, I am not having anything hereditary into me, because yes, my mom has a really wonderful hair, but I had really and literally very bad hair. If I can do it, you can do it for sure. Please follow all the steps that I told you for this wonderful and beautiful flares on your head. So this is what the result is. One more update, so many updates. I showed you my gray hair at this point, is at this part. You can just have a look. If I show it to you, it's beautifully covered because of henna, and the darker shades, like the maroonish ones, they were the ones that were white, like towards the gray, and they turned out to be something like this. There are people who do not like those colors and everything. What you can do is you can use indigo powder instead of henna, but for the best of results out of indigo powder, you have to use henna. Like you can mix indigo powder and henna powder to get that intensified color out of indigo powder also. So for this wonderful results, follow all the steps that I told you, and please let me know how did you like the entire scenario that I showcased to you, starting from applying henna till washing them off. So I'll see you all in the next video with something new about the hair. Till then, take really good care of yourself and let me know how is it.